Nature is amazing. No. Nature is amazing. L. Nature is calling.
Hey. Yes, she is. Oh! Greetings and grand afternoon. Hello, but heavens high. I have returned. We're in here. I brought a friend that hasn't been here, a loved one, I shall say. For those who don't know, meet Jaliger. Yeah, I gave Dorada Kyle a rest. You know, the youngin', he's been itching to get out here. So I was like, I'll take the big boy today. Let him stretch his legs. And look what I've already found soon as I got in. One. And two. What a glorious day. Stay tuned, tribe. Stay tuned. Yo, tribe, I really be looking to get y'all pics and footage of the deer. There are so many deer in this area. You know, when I was higher up in the mountain, I saw less deer, but here, where it's more like a flatter greenland, it's an abundance of them. And they don't run completely away. They notice me, I notice them, and they'll like go run and get behind a tree and just stare at me. But I want to get a clear shot so y'all can just see how beautiful they are. And something I desired to note is for my children. You know, I'm not upset with you. I'm not mad. I'm not gonna demonize you because I know what you're up against. You're dancing with the devil. You can't dance with the demons. You gotta dance on top of the demons, or don't dance with them at all. Cause you dance with the demon, them demons gonna take advantage of you. They gonna lead your ass out of the party. So don't make deals with the devil. You can't deal with no devil. I don't know how you can deal with him is lock his ass or lock her ass up. And I'm out here, I'm in here, mother, breaking generational curses. And I realize a lot of the children, they love this, especially the younger age. They know what's up. Them little ones, I'm doing this is for my true babies that know what's up. You know, they loving the vibe. And for the more older ones, a few of them, but very few. But y'all coming along, you gonna have to, or you gonna get left behind. You know, I'm making these videos because I'm not gonna always be here. You know, I got places to be. I got things to see and people to do. Well, goddesses. Anyway, let's get back to the business, the notion. But yeah, I'm breaking generational curses. One thing I know about the Most High, I don't like using that word God. But one thing I know about the divine, the supreme, the highest, they're uncontrollable. You can't control the Most High. You can't control, quote unquote, God. How you gonna control God? So that's why a lot of my children with these demons in them, just like in so many words, so many texts, so many books, ancient books you can read, Bible, Quran, Book of the Dead, them sea scrolls, what else they got? The Torah, all that stuff. The demons ran away from the chosen one, and they looked from afar, or they looked at, the light was so blinding that they just can't stand there and see up close. They got to get back a minute and analyze. So I get what y'all do. I get that. You got to analyze what's going on. But the word has told you, different texts have told you that ye too are gods. But you will be destroyed due to lack of knowledge. Ye too are the Most Highs, yes. You gotta get your vibration right. You gotta stop being controlled. See, I'm not the one to entertain women, or not the word entertain, because my life is very entertaining. It entertains me. I love what I do, and I know others love what I do. That's why I got billions watching. But what I'm saying is, I don't court or date women. That's regular. I am into the quote-unquote goddess. You know, she who is in Big Mama's rare form. That's what I'm into, because she recognized that, hey, he's uncontrollable. I've had so many women run because they can't control me. How can you control the king, the lion, with all of this? You can't control this. You can't. It's impossible. How can you tame the Most High? It's like trying to hold water in your human hands. It's impossible. So I'm breaking generational curses, you know. Y'all still carry IDs, driver licenses, Social Security. All this shit is a controlling mechanism. A tracking device. The hell with that. To the abyss. That is not my forte. Nope. Free. And the chosen children shall be free, and the chosen goddesses shall be free. And that's just point blank. So, my little children who may try to still attempt to block the chief, it's not gonna work. You can't hold water in your hand. Just know that. But I shall carry on. Today is more of a relaxed day. I came to get those feathers. My last journey here, there were some feathers that I saw. I had look, I didn't even show y'all when I got back to where I lay my head at. Like, I got so many feathers that day. You have to watch the last, it's maybe not the most recent video, last video I posted. It's gonna say Super Mario on Turtle Island. But yeah, I got enough feathers to sell them. But I ain't selling them. No. I'm gonna make this. I'm not gonna tell you. You'll see. You'll see. But yeah, there's some I left. I mean, I came for the feathers, but I also came just to be with all of this. Free as can be. But stay tuned, tribe. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. So, I'm here. Another word to relate to the people. Because without y'all asking the questions, because a lot of people are scared to ask questions. When a question is a question, just ask the question. You know? Just ask. Like, ask any question. Ask the Most High. And the Most High will answer you. So I had someone ask me, you know, are you gay? Are you gay now? I simply replied, I am happy, period. You know, some old bum from a past life who mad because the communication got cut. So they go through other avenues, whether it's social media, other people, for their answers. But no, come on to the Most High. I shall answer. Wham, look at this. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, just come on to me, ask me. And I be hearing through telepathy, or feeling through telepathy about hygiene. Like, ooh, this one been out here so long, it started turning green. Like, that nigga, he wild, he dirty. Yes, I get dirty. I'm the wildest nigga, you know. Picture this, not even picture. When the Most High returned, did you expect the Most High to be wearing a suit and tie? Where they do that bullshit at? Did you expect the Most High to be into demonic, devilish rituals and things that man does? No. As above, so below. My spirit is clean. I'm the cleanest being you will find. I might be wild because I'm free. But since my spirit is free, my body is free. Now, you got some children out there of mine, they go on their social media and they getting butt booty naked. And they parade that. They want attention. They're whoring themselves in the sense of, look at me, give me followers, give me likes. But they're not here butt booty naked every day. Like, all I got on right now, besides this, you know, my jewelry and my bag, I got on a pair of shorts, you know? That's all. And the camera cut off, I'll take them off. Y'all ain't ready for that, but I'm the cleanest, Most High son you'll find. Like, literally, like the last job I worked in so-called 2020, that's the last time, February, something like that. I don't even recall, it don't matter. But the last job I worked, there was this pretty woman that worked beside me. on the what you call it, the assembly line. She walked up on me. She said, "Ooh, you smell good." Look, it was early that day. It was like 7, 8 a.m. I took a shower that night. You know, I got up early that rising. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and that was it. But it's about your spirit. What are you consuming? What are you eating? What are you taking in? That is gonna make you smell good. Cause I don't wear cologne. This is so amazing. Ever since I was a little bitty boy, my mom would buy me cologne, and that shit would just sit on the dresser. Cause that shit is unnatural, and it got that strength to it with the chemicals. And I'm not no chemical person. That's why I was made to be what I am now, breaking generational curses. A lot of men and women, they go by that Ralph Lauren Polo cologne and Chanel No. 9 and Gucci cologne, whatever names you want to put on it, Dior. That shit is horrible. Like, that's when I know you're insecure. You're not eating right, because you know, if you are gonna put on something, put on like some essential oils. That's gonna make you smell good. I don't wear perfumes and colognes. I don't need them. You know, I eat right. I'm clean. Kind of like when I was dealing, well, not even dealing, but you know, those that have been privileged to drink from my sexual cup. This one in particular told me, this tastes good. I could put it in my smoothie. No cap, bruh. No cap. You gotta clean yourself up. See, I'm making these videos because I'm not gonna always be here. I'm not. Like I said, I got places to go. I'm here to teach the ones that I'm supposed to teach, and to wake the ones up who I'm supposed to wake. Because not everybody is gonna get it. Everybody ain't gonna make it, bro. So there's gonna come a point where you won't see me at all. I'm gonna be another life. Just keep elevating, elevating. And you can do this when you're in here, because it's untapped energy. This is the richest place you can be, where there's no dollars, there's no haters. The energy is untapped. So everything is pure, and ain't nobody back here. Ain't nobody in here. So guess what? I'm just all this is for me. Elevation. But I shall carry on, tribe. Greetings, hello, but heavens high. This is a message to those who are here to receive this message. If you want anything out of life, you desire anything, just ask. That's all you gotta do is ask, and you shall receive. Because when I was a little boy, the children around me, they was asking to be doctors, lawyers, football players, mechanics, that type of stuff. I desired to be a Power Ranger, a freaking Ranger. And look how that turned out. Here to save this planet, here to save my people, because the Most High is here. And the Most High sees everything. So if you even think about getting in my way and even think about harming me, you getting destroyed. There's all type of despicable, disgusting, demonic, maniacal things going on this great planet of ours. You thought that was just gonna keep going, just continue the way it had been? No, you a fool if you thought that. All you gotta do is ask for change. People get mad because I am this, I am him. I asked for this. Too bad you didn't ask. You wanted $1 million fucking dollars. Or you wanted a Porsche or Lamborghini. You wanted every woman in your town to sex hundreds of women. That's what you asked for. I didn't ask for that. This is what I asked for. And I get what I asked for. So you do the same thing. I had a guy tell me, he's from Mississippi. He told me, yeah, don't go to Mississippi, Chief. They hanging niggas. I'm from the Mississippian tribe, first and foremost. That is my blood lineage, okay? All right. You ain't finna keep me from going anywhere, you or any sucker duck. You scared. Yeah, they hanging the wrong niggas over there, but they got the right one here. You got the right one, baby. Ain't this what Ray Charles said? Yeah, they got the right one here. I go wherever I please, as you can see. Touch one of mine, and on everything I own, I will destroy everything you touch. That's what I love about the light and the sun returning. Like, you can't have one without the other. That's why there isn't just one so-called God. There's not one, the Most High. It takes two to make things go right. You have the dark and the light. The dark is beautiful. It's amazing. Things grow in the darkness. That comes first and foremost. But then that sunlight hits, and that sun shows all the beauty of what was growing in the dark. And it puts some more oomph into it. And it grows higher, and it grows magnificently, I should say. Yo, tribe, I finally figured out exactly what it meant about if you accept Jesus Christ, you will be saved. And in the Bible, Jesus was telling them to believe in him, them first believe in themselves, him, and the one that sent him. And that's what life is about. It's not about believing in Jesus and you will be saved. You have to become Jesus. That's what he was telling everyone around him. That's what he was telling the disciples. Like, you can do this as well. I come from who you come from. Simple as that. The Most High does not discriminate. Just like I got here through a black hole, a portal between a woman's legs, then you get here that same way. If you watching this, you got here that same correct way, right? Though you might be from another so-called country, your origins could be a whole nother planet and galaxy, but you're here for a reason, just like I'm here for a reason. And he was like, that's why I don't repost a whole bunch. If I repost some stuff, I just show it. I don't really speak about it. I like say like maybe 1 or 2 lines, then that's it. Cause I don't dwell in that. You can't be scared. You can't fear anything. I'll repost it or post it because I'm like, ha, told you so. And I'm not gonna argue with you. Cause I've been said stuff 30 years ago. And now it has come into fruition. So people saying that, oh, I believe in Jesus Christ, I'm saved. That's dog shit. There's no way. Just like how man is so mundane and so worldly and physical, the Most High is looking at the same thing. Just because you say that you love Jesus, that ain't gonna save you. You out your freaking mind. You have to show and prove. Just like you like to see things, the Most High is the same way. But not far as like, got a ant on my back. But the Most High ain't about actually seeing it as far as eyes. It's about feeling. The Most High the Most High sees everything. So you gotta give him that feel, give her that feel that you've changed and that you accept the Most High and that you are now united with the Most High. You feel me? You just can't say something and be saved. I mean, yeah, when you're that powerful like the Most High, you can say things and they come into work, come into play. But y'all ain't there yet. Y'all are not there yet. You out your fucking mind, you think you there yet. Oh, you believe in Jesus, so you say. Or you believe in Buddha, you believe in Muhammad and Allah. Please. Gotta get away from folks. I see that's why Christ was always to himself a lot. Buddha, Shiva, Krishna, Christ was always to themselves. Because a lot of people are fearful, they're scared. And I'm not picking on you, but I'm just showing what you have to change if you're gonna be saved. That's why I go anywhere. I don't have any problems. Like, why would I fear what's coming when I know who I am? See, you don't know who you are, but I know who I am, and you know who I am, or you gonna find out. But yeah, you gotta know who you are. You have to do what you were sent to do, or you're not going to be saved. You're not gonna make it. So when people be posting about, oh, this vaccine, and they putting it in this, they putting it in that, people carrying around a virus, you know, you gotta watch this, watch that, people getting snatched in the woods. Bitch, please. The Most High wish a nigga would. Oh, he cursing. I can't deal with that. I'm a Christian. I'm a Jehovah Witness. He cussing. I can't be listening to that. No. I'm using profanity. I'm very profane when I need to be, because that's how sometimes I gotta get through thick skulls, by being profane. Oh, I didn't curse you. I ain't cursed nobody on this segment right then and there. I didn't curse nobody. You don't want to have me curse. No, because like I said, when you speak something, it'll come into existence. Just like it's so-called October now. Look at me. It's every bit right now. Let me gauge. 93-ish? 93 degrees. Mid-October. And I've been telling y'all I was gonna raise the heat. That's what I'm about. Speaking real things. What good is anything else but real spiritual power? Because if you control things spiritually, you'll control things physically. Simple as that. So yeah, don't be letting anybody get you afraid to go here, go there, do this. Embrace your loved ones, those who truly love you. You know, like I told you, I beat that virus in 30 hours. Like I'm talking about in 30 hours, there was no trace of anything, because I went and hugged a family member that she just lost her freaking, her earth, bro, her mom. She needed somebody to hold her. And she just had corona. She had so-called COVID herself. She had it and was quarantined. Well, they told her she had it, and she had quarantine for like a strong and a half. Then her mom passes when after she quarantined, after my cousin quarantined, she goes back to work. On the second day back to work, her mom passes away at the house. You know, I don't care about no mask, no virus. Baby, you need a hug. You need some love in your life. Come here. Give me that sugar. It better be some sugar. You know, I paid for it. She told me that her symptoms was like somebody beating in her head with a hammer. And that's what it felt like somebody standing at my head shooting a 12 gauge, a 50 cal. But I took that. I laid strong, I stood strong, 10 toes down, grounded in nature that whole day. Kept my routine up. I didn't go do no rituals, didn't do I didn't do no witchcraft, no type of special rituals. I just did what I normally do. I rely on the Most High. Woke up that next day, that next rising, everything was great. So, some people scared of aliens, some people scared of diseases, some people scared of viruses, some people scared of pistols, some people scared of shotguns. Some people scared of knives. Some people scared of animals. Like, I can't be around people who are scared. Birds of a feather flock together. You ain't finna make me scared. That's why I'm in here. I ain't stepping no shit that it was moist, whatever it was, but red dirt, because I don't smell no shit, and I smell everything. But later, headed to the crib, take me a incredible warm, loving bath. I haven't eaten. Is that a word, eaten? Oh, like that, the deity from, is it ancient Egypt? They call him Aten. I ain't eating all day. Freaking spider just bit me in the foot, look like. And I gotta hike like, I think it's about 5 miles from where I'm at, the crib. It's 5 to 10, I don't be counting. I just go. But be strong, be careful, and be safe, but dangerous need be. So yeah, y'all churches have been misleading you, because you shouldn't be going to a church outside of yourself. But let's just so happen that you do go to a church outside of yourself. Make sure that you are entering the correct church, because there's a lot of scared children out here right now, or out there right now, because in here, no fear, you know. See, that's the real Holy Spirit. Some cultures call it the Holy Spirit. Some cultures call it the Kundalini rising. Some cultures call it Super Saiyan. You feel me? That's when a nigga ain't afraid of anything. Like who, what, when, where, why, don't matter. Bring it. What? I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm right here. For really though. But yeah. Tribe. Alright, finally, I have came to this message. I've been desiring to tell y'all this for a while, but the Most High has just said, go, tell them, look, I don't wear masks. I have nothing to hide. The Most High doesn't hide anything from you. Things be hidden right out in the open. People, humans, I shall say, miss over things. They skip over things because they're blind. They don't see it, but it be right there in front of you. I'm not wearing a mask. I have nothing to hide. These lungs and this breathing system doesn't operate properly up under that mask. And you gonna see my face, because those who trying to make mask mandates and vaccine mandates are those who mistreated and disrespected those who look like this. So you gonna see me. You gonna see this face, I'd rather say. So when I come into your walk of life, oh, I ain't got no mask on, because the Most High said you will see me. You finna live or die. You finna live with the pain that you caused the Most High for what you did to the Most High's children, what you did to the Most High's people, how you murdered the Most High's children, mutilated the Most High's children, burned alive the Most High's children, experimented illegally and undeservingly the Most High's children. You will see my face. I ain't hiding no more. I ain't hiding no more. I refuse to hide. I ain't hiding. I stood back and I watched a lot of bullshit go down. And I knew it. I said, one day they gonna pay for that. One day I'm gonna make them pay for that. And that day has came. That's why I ain't hiding my face. Cause you finna deal. Look, that's why I said that light, the light cast everything over all they darkness. I bring out all they demons. I bring them all out. And them demons, they perish, they run. That's why, who I'm with now? That's why it's so hard, difficult to find loyalty. They're coming. I'm gathering them as I speak. I am gathering them. But you will see the Most High's face. The Most High hid his face because it was like, that's why people stopped. Did you know that's why people had stopped believing in so-called God? Because he had hid his face. He was like, the Most High just gonna let the children destroy themselves. And that's what the Most High is doing at this moment. They're being destroyed. But he's not doing it. He's letting them do it to themselves. How beautiful is that? The Most High ain't got to fight you. The Most High ain't got to make you do anything, because the Most High said that you too are little Most Highs. You are just as strong as I am, but you will perish because of lack of knowledge. And what they doing now, they perishing. They getting destroyed because they don't follow or unite, join the truth. That's all I had to say. Well, as you can see, I have returned to the entrance near civilization. Where I left my shoes at the door. You see it? And it's so amazing that this analogy just came up, because Big Mama, I wasn't expecting to walk fully barefoot on my trip into nature today to come visit Mama. But I got to the door and I got through the fence and I was like, I left my shoes at the door. And Big Mama was like, yeah, leave that bullshit back out there. Leave that shit at the door. Don't bring that dirty, nasty shit into my house and stink up my place. Leave them shoes at that door and come on in. Look at Mama. Mama always got a purpose for everything. That's why I love her. I'm devoted to her. I adore her. And there's no one more important than Mom.